Getting my beautiful little Excalibur ready to rumble again. She's so beautiful still. And I can't wait to get back in her. She's had a nice healthy annual. And I got her in top-notch shape. She was in top-notch shape anyway. Top-notch. She wants to fly like I do. And we're going to. It's time. It's time's a coming. Ain't gonna be no playing around this year. We're gonna put some air miles on this little baby. It's time. I need it bad. I need it bad. She's been in the garage way too long. Now I might have it lying on a hanger, so we might be able to get this little beauty in a hanger where we can fly whenever we want without having to worry about the wings and
Clear
whatnot.
prep.